Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. We successfully completed our second term. Today we will see third term. This is your last term, so everyone must attend the online class. See, this is your third term maths book. Okay. See, this is your index. Okay. In this term, you have 6 lessons. See your first lesson, numbers. This you have 4 subtitles. Second lesson, patterns. Okay, you have 2 subtitles, and third lesson is measurements. Okay, here also we have 3 subtitles. Next, fourth lesson, money lesson, and 1 subtitle. Next, fifth lesson is time. Okay, 1 subtitle. Next, sixth lesson is information processing. Okay, we have 4 subtitles. Okay, in this term totally we have how many lessons? 6 lessons. Seema, this is your first chapter, numbers. Okay, what's our first chapter? Numbers lesson. Okay, in this lesson we will see pairs, odd number and even numbers. Okay, see the first topic, odd and even numbers. Okay, odd and even numbers. Okay, see what is this? Pairs. Okay, see some of the objects that are available in pairs are given below. Okay, see we have some picture. Okay, what's your first picture? Slipper. Okay, pair of slippers. Next, socks. So pair of socks. Next also shoes. So how to say? Pair of shoes. Next, pair of gloves. Okay, so this is called pair. Okay, pair means how many items in the pair? 2 items. Okay, so these objects are pairs. Okay, now are you understand what is mean by pairs? See, without one object we cannot use the another object. Okay, for example, this one slipper we cannot use it. 2 slipper have means only we will use this one. So this is called pairs. Without one object we cannot use the another object. Okay, so this is called pair. Pair of shoes, pair of gloves, everything. Okay ma, now are you understand? See the next topic, odd and even. Okay, let us consider 2 objects having same properties. Okay, see here, for example, a set of 2 anklets. Next, a set of 2 bangles. See here how many anklets? 2 anklets. Here 2 bangles. Okay, next, see numbers that can be arranged in twos completely are called even numbers. Okay, see this is the definition of even numbers. Okay, numbers that can be arranged in twos completely are called even numbers. Okay, see object or things that one we will arrange twos. Okay, completely we will arrange means that number is called even number. Okay, see here for example, here 6 birds make 3 set of twos. Okay, see here how many twos? See this one 1 twos, and this one 2 twos, this one 3 twos. Okay, so how many sets here available? 3 set. 1 set, 2 and 3. So totally we have how many sets? 3 sets. Okay, separately birds count means we have 6 birds. Okay, so how many sets? 3 sets. Okay, so set means what? 2. Okay, so this one also like a pair. So how many pairs? 3 pairs. Okay, so 6 is an even number. See here we completely arranged here twos. Okay, see 2 2ly we can arranging here easily. Okay, so completely arranging. Here any reminders coming on? No. So this is what number? Even number. Are you understand? Numbers that can be arranged in twos completely are called even numbers. Okay, see what is the number here? 6 is the number. Okay, for example we taking the birds. Okay, now we will what? Twos completely. We can arrange these numbers, okay, in twos completely. Okay, see here 1 2 3. So completely we are arranged this one. Okay, so 6 is an even number. Here any reminders coming on? No. So completely we are arranged. So this is called one even number. Okay, see the next topic objects that cannot be. Okay, objects that cannot. Okay, see underline this word, cannot be completely arranged in twos are called odd numbers. Okay, this is the definition of odd numbers. See, objects that cannot be completely arranged in twos are called odd numbers. Okay, see here one example given here. Out of 5 birds, 2 set of twos can be made. Okay, see how many birds here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here 6 birds. These 6 birds from 1 flew away. Okay, reminder, we have how many birds? 5. Okay, in that 5 we can arrange twos. Okay, so how many twos? This one 1 2, this one 2 twos. Okay, so this one pair, one bird is flew away, so remaining we have only one bird. Okay mom, so totally we have how many? 5 birds. 2 set of twos can be made. Okay, how many twos we can made here? Only 5 birds from, we can arrange how many twos? 2 twos. Okay, 2 pair. Okay, yeah, so 2 sets of twos can be made, but one bird is left. Okay, see out of 5 we have only one remaining birds, so one bird is left, hence 5 is an odd number. Okay, so 5 is a what? Odd number. See, now read the statement ma. Objects that cannot be completely arranged in twos are called odd number. Okay, here we completely arranged no, remaining we have only one bird. Okay, this one bird we cannot take because this is flew away. Okay, so remaining we have 5 birds. Out of 5 we are pairing 2. Okay, so twosly arrange means we will have remaining only one bird. Okay, so remaining we have one bird. Okay, so this is what? Odd numbers. Objects that cannot be completely arranged in twos are called odd numbers. Okay ma. So finally here 3 sets, so without remainder this is even number. Here reminders available means that is odd number. Or you understand? See ma, next for your practice, group the objects in twos. Okay, and find whether they are even or odd. Okay, one is done for you. See, what's your first step? Group the object in twos. Okay, now we will arrange two objects. Okay, so arrange in twos. After what you do? That number is odd or even, that one find and write. Okay, see here numbers. Okay, how many number here? 5. Okay, we have 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parachutes available. Okay, now we will arrange the twos. Okay, so twos means what? 2 pair of items. Okay, so this twos arrange. Okay mom, in one group we want 2 items. Here also 2 items. Okay, remaining we have 1 parachute. Okay, so remaining items available means that is called what? Odd numbers. Here we do not arrange completely in twos. Okay, so this one what? Odd number. Okay ma, see the next one. See the second sum. Next, helicopters. See how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So totally how many items? 10 items. Okay mom. Now we will arrange in twos. Okay. So twos means what? In a group we need 2 items. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so we are arranging here completely arranged in twos. Okay, yeah, so any reminders available or no? Okay, so this one what number? Odd or even? So completely arranged in twos means that is what? Even number. Okay, even. Are you understand? Here one reminder coming, we do not arrange in twos. Completely we do not arrange in twos, so that is odd number. Here completely we can arrange in twos, so that is even number. Okay ma? See the next sum. Aeroplanes available. Okay, how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, totally how many items? 7 items. Okay, now these objects we can arrange in twos. Okay, so in a group we need 2 items. So 1 and 2. Next 3. So how many twos available? 3 twos. Okay, now we have only one remainder. So 7 means we cannot arrange in twos completely. Okay, we can arrange twos but one reminders available, so we cannot arrange in twos completely. Okay, so we have one remainder. So remainder means what is the number? Odd number. Okay, completely arranged means that is even number. Okay, reminders means that is odd number. Okay ma. So 7 is a odd number. Here 10 is a even number and 5 is a odd number. Okay. Next you have two pictures, two sums. Okay. So what you do? First count and write the objects. Okay. After you arrange in twos. Okay. After you find that is even or odd. Okay. So these two sums are your homework. Okay ma. So what's your first step? First count and write. Okay, next you completely arrange in twos. Okay, next find that is even number or odd number, so that one right here. So these two sums are your homework, so you properly write. Okay ma, thank you. Next class we will see.